Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, October 19th. And you can see by the numbers yesterday, I was on my toes. 317,000 bushels. Thanks to our farmers for bringing in quite a bit of corn yesterday. And with plenty of nice weather coming up over the next several days, we're going to have plenty of opportunity to get a lot more acres taken care of as far as corn and soybeans. Yesterday we had some of the guys that were running corn shift back over to soybeans and some edible beans. And again, we'll see more of this for the next couple of days as we have plenty of dry weather coming up with sunshine, warm temperatures right on through Saturday. In fact, we got rain coming in on Sunday now, but we may squeeze out, especially in the eastern areas, we may get part of quite a bit of Sunday in being able to harvest before the rain actually comes. But we'll keep an eye on the trend on that. But again, over the eastern areas, we could maybe even get a half a day or 2/3 of the day without any rain. And you can see it's going to be plenty of sunshine. The warmth continues with the upper 60s to low 70s. Now, some of the models indicate we could actually be around 77, 78 degrees on Saturday. And right now, Saturday does look like the warmest day. And those showers will come in on Sunday with sharply colder temperatures by Tuesday of next week. And we'll see plenty of cool temperatures. That's going to allow maybe some sugar beet activity to get started at some point. I've heard different rumors on when they may open, but certainly we'll update that if we hear anything. As we look at the yesterday's activity, this is just a small snippet of some of the trucks coming and going here in the Ransom Road area. And again, we had a pretty brisk day, but no real long lines. I think we had maybe 8 trucks in line at any one time, so traffic was moving through pretty fast here throughout the day. And you can see this morning, no precipitation since midnight. We had a high yesterday of 71 degrees and a low of 47 with no precipitation, obviously no snowfall as well. If we look at the current conditions around the area this morning, about 8 degrees warmer with temperatures yesterday in the mid to upper 40s. We've got temperatures this morning well into the mid 50s across most areas, some upper 40s to low 50s. But again, a pretty mild mid to late October morning out there. And you can see across the state as well, we have a lot of 50s across the entire state with a few 40s sprinkled in, but overall, a pretty mild start to the day. On the satellite view, you can see some mid and high level clouds coming in associated with the cold front that's going to dampen out, and it's going to move back to the north as a warm front. So we expect no precipitation from this activity, mainly just a few mid and high level clouds filtering some of the sunshine, but we expect plenty of sunshine today as well. If we look at the weather map this morning, again, you can see that front's going to die out as the push of warm air begins to move back to the north. So again, no precipitation, continued fair conditions right on through Saturday. And as we look at the weather map on Friday, high pressure system off to our southeast now with a warm flow up to the north. It's going to begin to bring some of that moisture as this cold front eventually moves into the area here late this weekend. And by Saturday, some showers and thunderstorms still off to our west as we remain partly to mostly sunny skies on Saturday. And we'll see precipitation again. This is through 1 a.m. on Sunday. You can see all the MAC and LAC areas will be dry and mild. And if we look at the European over the next 7 days, we expect what the European is expecting that front to move through and stall out, and then a low pressure system move up on it. And you can see very heavy rainfall if the European is right. This will be a good test of the European versus the GFS. The GFS will give us some scattered showers, but we'll take this heavy rain and move it way farther south and east. A blend of the models would give us some pretty good rains. Right now, I'm going to forecast about a half to 3/4 of an inch of rain, but we certainly need to watch the European. It's one of the more trusted models. And again, over the next couple of days, we'll update these totals, but this would be from later Sunday into about the middle of the week. Again, the European forecast that front to stall out, low pressure system to move up into Michigan, where the GFS is much farther with the front and the low pressure system moving up the front. So again, something to keep an eye on for next week. As far as the forecast goes today, you can see plenty of sunshine. Again, with that little bit of a northwest flow, we'll have temperatures about 4 degrees cooler than yesterday, but still mid 60s to around 70, and then we'll go warm back up into the upper 60s to low 70s, at least into the mid 70s is a good bet for Saturday. Again, lots of sunshine, and then a good chance of rain moves in for Sunday, Monday, maybe Tuesday and Wednesday. Sharply colder behind that front on Tuesday. And as far as the weather watch out there, some red flag warnings well off to our west, but for the Great Lakes, not a whole lot going on. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.